Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see any website response time. It's very easy and it takes few lines of code, basically tapping some car internal variables to produce output about it. Okay, so let me spawn up a terminal and move it to a designated workspace. Let us zoom in so people can see what we are doing. Let's start with the demonstration. Okay, so I kept one of my and the script name is measure website response. As the name suggests, its whole and sole purpose to give you the time and response time of any website you wanted to know. Okay, so if you press enter, you will be prompted to enter the website name. If I do kernel.org, and the return will be like this: how much time it will take to connect the sites, how much time it will take to start the transferring of bytes from that site. So these things will come. It's a very handy thing to know. You can infuse it in other script to get or utilize this output on several other way. Okay, likewise, let me do it one more time. So this is the script. Okay, and I'll give you the link of this particular script in the description section below, so you can pull it down and play with it. Okay, so but before that, let me show you one more time. HTTPS, and this is my blog site. I'm trying to selfishly you can give any damn website, okay. Its whole purpose to show you the connect time and byte transfer time from that particular website. Okay, so in a sense you can get a response time of that particular website. Okay, see, it returns like this. Okay, so how the code look like? Here is the code. Pretty darn simple. As I written in the code, you can see on top of it, this script was first appeared in a IBM Linux technical library, which was open, and it is still open, developer side, where a person called M. Tim Jones or Ian Shield, one of them written this initially on a specific article, and I completely forgot which one I pumped onto it. It's way back in 2009 2010, but since then I'm using it. I have modified this script what was there according to my taste and standard, and this is simply just to get the binary sorted out in the system, then prompt for the URL. As you saw on the top of the screen, it prompts for the URL you are supposed to pass, then it captured the URL in a variable, and then simply call up car with -o. It will throw out all the verbiage in the dev null, then it will do silently behind the scene, then it write out the 3 time underscore connect, time start transfer, and time total, then get the URL as an argument. So, and I put some heading so it will be easier to understand what is coming from where. Okay, so this is a pretty ordinary stuff, but it extremely useful for me over the years. That's why I'm making this video, just to make you aware that you could do so. Okay, and you could do other thing also, but I keep it simple just to accomplish one damn thing as good as possible. So let me show you how what's the variable says straight out of the man page. Okay, so if I write man call, okay, and then grape a probably 5, and then there is a variable called time connect. Okay, so now it just says like this. Okay, I think 2 is good enough. So this is look like this. Let me start with, so this is the first variable, as you can see on the left hand side, called time underscore connect. It says simply the time in seconds it took from the start until the TCP connection connect to the remote host was completed. Okay, likewise, and then if I do this will be a little bigger, I think. Time start transfer. This is yet another internal variable to call, which produce when the website start transferring bytes. As it is written there, the time in second it took from the start until the first byte was just about to be transported. This includes time pre-transfer and also the time the server needed to calculate the result. Okay, and the third one, the third variable called grep a2, and it is saying time total. And it simply says the total time in second that the full operation lasted. Okay, so these 3 variables are tapped on the left hand side script. You could use other variables, called exposed other variables too, to get the different information about a particular website you are trying to access. Okay, so this is a pretty ordinary and self-contained script. Okay, and it is pretty helpful to me over the years. I've been using it standalone basis, as I shown to you on the left hand side terminal, or you could utilize its output in a other script and other way. The possibilities are endless, but as I mentioned, I didn't want to complicate it or do it some other thing, so I use it as it is. Okay, so I hope this will give you some sort of impetus to all of you to take a cue and do something better with it, or use it as it is. As I mentioned, I'll provide the URL of this script in the description section below, so you can pull it down and play with it. Okay, so thanks for watching.